Let's explore how to run your React application for the first time. We will cover starting the development server and previewing your application in the browser. Learn how to start your React development server and view your application in the browser for the first time. Before starting the development server, ensure that Node.js is installed correctly. Open your terminal and type node version. This command displays the installed version of Node.js. You should see an output similar to v18.17.0. Next, verify the npm version by typing npm version. This displays the version of npm installed on your system. You should see an output similar to 9.6.7. Now, navigate to your React project directory by using the cd command followed by your project's name. For example, cd myReactApp. To start the development server, open your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and type npm start. This command will start the React development server on localhost :3000. Alternatively, you can use yarn start if you prefer yarn as your package manager. Once you run the npm start command, you will see an output in your terminal. It should display compiled successfully. This indicates that your React application has been compiled without any errors. You'll also see a message that says, "You can now view myReactApp in the browser." Below that, the terminal will display the local URL, which is http://localhost:3000, and the network URL, such as http://192.168.1.100:3000. By default, the server automatically opens your browser to localhost :3000. Once the development server starts, your React app will automatically open in your default browser. You should see the default React application page at the address http://localhost :3000. The page typically displays the React logo, a welcome to React message, and instructions to edit the source code in the src/app.js file to see the changes. React's development server includes several helpful features such as automatic browser refresh on file changes, save files to see instant updates, live error display and debugging, and a fast development workflow. Your React app is now running and ready for development. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.